Hello guys, welcome to another week's vlog. I am wearing my Victoria's Secret satin pajamas. I love them, but I also paired it with my little Smokey the Bear shirt. So it is Tuesday, it is the day before Halloween, and I realized last week, like late into the week, that I hadn't vlogged anything, and I was like, screw it. This vlog is gonna suck either way. So I took a week off from vlogging. If you noticed, I missed a Monday vlog upload. So today I'm starting a brand new one, and I just figure, let's just start over. Let's start a fresh week with a fresh vlog, and I don't know, maybe I can do a little bit better with it. A little deer pillow. I'm working on like cataloging receipts and things that I've purchased. I've got my bean. Hi. I've got, oh hi Sally. Hi. Hi, baby. I've got Handsome Manners. He's just taking a nap. Hi. Hi. And Miss Sniffy's is in here. And then Miss Sniffs. Miss Sniffs. So pretty. Sleepy. And right now I've got a wallflower from Bath & Body Works. I have campfire donut, cute little pumpkins, and I did get a package, so I thought I'd share it with you. And first let me say that this is frightening. Every time you get a package and you pick it up, you're like, yay, my package, and then it's like jangling around in there. But I want to show you what I got really quick. So this is my little haul from Macy's. I got the MAC Holiday Collection lips. I got one of the highlighters, and then I got a little free, crap's blowing everywhere. I got a little free clear brow gel from Anastasia. They also had like a free lunch box, and I don't know if this was just like automatically added, but I thought maybe Zach would like it to take lunch to his office, so I'm gonna set that aside. And yeah, I want to show you guys the lipsticks and things. I'm really excited about these. I saw that one of the shades had sold out on Maxx website, so I went to Macy's. They had all 5 in stock, and they also had 12% cash back on Ebates. I will link Ebates below. Most of you guys are probably already using it if you do a lot of online shopping, but it's so worthwhile, and right now Macy's still has 10%, so I was like, that's a no-brainer, get 12% cash back. So I got a lot of money back for that, and let me show you the colors that I got. So these are my MAC goodies. So this shade is called A Wink of Pink, Babetown Straight Fire. The next one is At Leisure, and then this one is Both Cheeks. So pretty. And then the highlight is the Extra Dimension Skin Finish, and it's in the shade Oh Darling. Really gorgeous. I love the silver packaging, not quite as much as I loved last year's holiday collection. It was just absolutely gorgeous, and I missed out on all the lipsticks, which I was really sad about, but it was really gorgeous. So that's the little collection. I'm not going to swatch them for now because I might want to take some pictures while they look perfect, but this was the one that was sold out on Maxx website, but Macy's still had it, and I believe they still do, and I think you could get them at Nordstrom as well. I think that was a shade though that Ulta did not carry, so yeah, you kind of have to look around, but I can't wait to dive into these. I just want to keep them looking gorgeous a little while longer, and that's my little Macy's haul. I'm actually watching all of the Twilight movies. I'm on Eclipse, so I'm just kind of hanging out. I've been editing a little bit, and hopefully gonna get another video up for you guys tonight. So that's my little haul, and I'll talk to you later. It's Saturday night at 9:30. We're in Target, and it looks like they're closing. What the hell?
You didn't show me the fabric, okay?
Man, this looks weird. Look what we're getting. Litter and wine and hint. Litter stuff. Cat food. Tuna for cats. Oreos. More litter box stuff. Or no, that's a brush. So basically stuff for the cats and stuff for me to drink. That's about it. Hey guys, it's Sunday and I'm getting ready for work. I've got my foundation and powder. I just put all that on. So I wanted to talk to you guys for a little bit while I'm getting ready. Once again, I'm not doing a good job vlogging, but I do want to tell you guys about these nails. I did film a couple videos, but I haven't talked to you in a vlog about them, so I actually put a little sparkle on this one. But these are from Marmalade, and I have to say they are really impressive. I've had these on for about 6 days now, and they are not going anywhere. Like, I've just started to see the tiniest bit of loosening at like the cuticle of one of my nails, but like they're still on well. So yeah, they're called Marmalade. This style is called Mirror, and I ordered them myself. I don't have like a code or anything like that. They do have discounts, so if you're looking at them, like, wait for a deal, because some of them are a little pricey if you get like the jeweled ones. I think this set was around $16. They're supposed to last for 2 weeks. I don't know if I'm going to leave them on a full 2 weeks, because the only downside, which I want to show you guys one that you can see, this one has like a little chipping, and I think it's just because of that like mirrored finish and the material they make it out of. It's just like not a really sturdy like layer. So, but I've been very rough with these. I've been doing dishes, just whatever. I haven't been thinking about trying to be like careful or whatever, and they're in place. So yeah, little scuffs here and there, but yeah, nothing major. So I do really like these, and you guys never see me with nails, so that tells you like these are doing pretty good. So I went to TJ Maxx last night, and I didn't vlog in there because there was like so many people everywhere I went, but I wanted to show you guys 2 things that I got that I was so excited to see. So the brand Holika I think is, yes, okay, so this is a Korean skincare brand, or they have skincare and makeup. But this is the Gudetama edition of a couple of products, and they were super affordable as well. The Lazy and Easy All Kill Cleanser Oil to Foam. So I thought this was really cool. It says quick and easy cleanser to minimize cleansing steps. Okay. And you remove makeup. That's really cool. So yeah, I found these. This was only $4.99 for this one, for the little Gudetama. I actually looked for more. I was like, will I find more? But I didn't. And then I got the all-in-one master, also from Lazy and Easy. And this is the Good Sarah all-in-one master. It's a one-step ultra moisture essence, provides all benefits with one Sarah droplet. So it's got a power ceramide, which is over 50% composition of skin. Oh, okay. Look how cute it is. I cannot get over that. I didn't even look at it. All I saw was the box. So that's so cute. Oh my god. So yeah, I'll definitely be looking from now on to see if I see more, because they always do a lot of really cute additions of products. My hair is wet, and it's probably going to go to work wet. I don't think I'm going to have time to dry it, but that's okay. So I wanted to talk to you guys because I felt like I haven't in a while, and I've been working a lot, and on my days off I've just been like relaxing. I'm not doing a very good job of going to work out though. I gotta get better at that. So yeah, I'm not off again until Wednesday, and today is Sunday. So I'll be going, probably work out Wednesday, and after that I'm not off again until Sunday, and I'll probably go see my parents. So yeah, just staying kind of busy. And if you're watching this vlog and you haven't subscribed, please do. I would love to hit 10,000 by my birthday. I don't know if that's possible or not, but why not set a goal and see what we can do. I know probably most of you guys actually watching vlogs are probably real subscribers, because I know these don't like draw in a lot of people by any means. So I know you guys are my more loyal fans watching these vlogs. Fans, that's a weird word. Not fans, like friends, I would say. So yeah, anyway, I'm also thinking about getting a P.O. box. Okay, I clearly can't do my brows and talk at the same time, so I'm gonna fix this little mistake I just made and then finish my makeup. But real quick, I am thinking about getting a P.O. box, just for like if a brand wants to send me something. I don't give out my home address so much, and if you guys ever wanted to, you know, write a card or a letter or something like that, then I don't know, it would be there if you wanted to. I don't know, what do you guys think about that? And then if I did start getting like anything in my P.O. box, I could definitely put it in a video. I know some people get a lot of stuff. I don't really think I'd get a lot, but it's kind of cool to have that option if a brand wants me to try something out. So we'll see. I think I'm going to do that soon. But I'll let you guys go for now. I'm just going to finish up my makeup and try to get these brows done before I have to leave. I've only got about 20 minutes and then I got to go to work and basically work all day. So I will talk to you guys. Hey guys, I'm at work now, and I thought I would show you around our store while I have a few minutes. So let's take a look. So this is our front tower. We've got all sorts of new stuff. This would be awesome to have. I'd love to buy a Dyson dryer. Girl, they're just so expensive. But we got a lot of really cute stuff. We did have the new Huda palette, the nude one, but it sold out. I'll put the pretty sultry palette up here. Got Too Faced goodies. If you haven't seen my video, I'll link it below. Our studio. Fenty, Fenty, Fenty. We got more stuff back here. These are so adorable. Look at these Kiehl's masks. Ooh. I haven't tried a lot from Kiehl's. I need to try some. Really cute. This Blue Lashes set is nice too. Gold palette. So much cute stuff. And then the rest of my store. It's pretty big footage wise. There's a lot going on. There's so many cute ornaments too. Like I want to buy all the ornaments and have like a Sephora product tree. A little professional, all-nighter. Got these little bad boys. But that's a little look, and I'll talk to you guys. It's Monday night and I am off work. It is actually pretty late right now, so I thought I would film a quick clip and wrap up this vlog for you. Mr. Menders is in here to see me. Minas? Hi, buddy. You want to tell him it's a big mess in here like normal? And then we have Miss Sniffles. Miss Sniffles. Hi, baby. Okay. Oh, kisses. But I thought I would show you a quick couple of things that I picked up in the last couple of days. One thing actually came in the mail, something I ordered, so I wanted to show you that. And then I will wrap it up. So this bag was actually on, I believe it was Haute Look that I ordered from. But this is a Disney bag and it's Beast with all of his curls and bows. And I don't know, maybe it's silly. I thought it was the cutest thing ever. And it's just a little small crossbody bag with a chain strap. So there he is. I don't know, it was just magnificent. And every once in a while I'll remember to check either Haute Look or Zulily and just kind of browse and see, because you can find some pretty unique things there. And this was not something that I was like looking for by any means, but how freaking cute is this? So I had to get it. I don't know, it just kind of called to me. Beauty and the Beast is definitely one of my favorite Disney movies of all time. Actually, it's probably my favorite. I love Aladdin as well. Beauty and the Beast and Aladdin would be my two most favorite. And then I love The Little Mermaid. Yeah, so like the old school several ones are just my favorite. But I love Beauty and the Beast. I also went to Michael's and got some more of these little, they're actually made for scrapbooks, but I like to use them as little backgrounds for pictures. I actually need to take some cute pictures with all my pure stuff of the Grinch, and I got some backgrounds for that. So this one's just like a marble. I got this, which I thought was really gorgeous. It's like a white and gold wood grain. I got red and green for all the holiday stuff, and the glitter is so pretty. And I also got gold glitter. And then I got this one, which is like a just textured look to it. I just thought it looked really cool. So I'm going to use that for some pictures. And then I also picked up some candles from Bath & Body Works. The other day they had their 1 wick candles for $4.95. And I love the little packaging on them. I thought it was really cute. They're a little smaller. So Fresh Balsam has this cute fox on it. It's like a Christmas tree scent. This one is for myself. I got Spiced Apple Toddy also for myself. I loved the little deer on it. I thought that was adorable. Also, I lost my nails. Actually, one popped off because I was being like super rough with them, and I couldn't do this latch at work on this door that's broken, or the latch is like screwed up and it's really hard to get, so I broke off one of my nails. So I said goodbye to them. They were a little long and I was too lazy to file them down, so I'm probably going to paint my nails, and then I'll do another set of those marmalades soon because I really liked them. But Spiced Apple Toddy, this one's also for me. I got one more for me, but they only had it wrapped up. And then I just simply had to get another Campfire Donut. This is probably my favorite scent, maybe of all times. I really love the like maple pecan waffles, or the pumpkin waffles or something like that. But this was really cute, and it's got the squirrel. So I got those 3 for myself. And then I got another fresh balsam in the wrap and another spiced apple toddy in the wrap. These will be early Christmas presents for my mom. I just thought that would be adorable and get a couple small things out of the way. I like to just kind of pick up things when I see them, and then I'll probably do one big Christmas shopping trip. But those are my little candles. So I'll spend about 25 bucks. But I got a few staples for me and a couple for the mom. So sorry this vlog has not been the most entertaining. I have just been working a whole lot. That's like all I do. Mr. Manners is right up in the camera now. Say hey, buddy. Okay. He's in my chair, huh? And what is Sniffles doing back there? Snivvies? Okay. So thank you guys so much for checking out this vlog. I love that you guys tune into these and seem to enjoy them. If you do, then definitely leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Right now I am a little under 500 away from 10,000, and I would love, love, love to hit 10,000 by my birthday, which is, gosh, it's like a month and a half away, actually less than that. So that's a lot. I don't think we're gonna do it, but if we do, I will definitely have a really big holiday 10,000 giveaway, and I'll also do an Instagram giveaway just to kind of mix it up because I've got a ton of stuff saved up. I've just been waiting for a celebratory time. So if you're not subscribed already, make sure to do that as well and turn on notifications so that you know when that giveaway goes live and you see all my other videos. So thanks for watching again, and I love you guys. See you next time.